2-inch 106 PG assembly. Start with the stem. Next, the disc retainer. Slide the disc retainer onto the stem. The resilient disc. Insert the resilient disc onto the disc retainer. The inner valve. Slide the inner valve onto the stem. The diaphragm. Place the diaphragm on the inner valve assembly. Place the diaphragm seal. The seal will be flush with the diaphragm. The upper clamp plate. Place the concentric grooves towards the diaphragm. The upper clamp plate slides over the diaphragm. Place the stem nut with the machine finish towards the upper clamp plate. Notice the wrench flat. Use the wrench flat to tighten the stem nut. Insert the diaphragm assembly into the main valve body. Align the locating pins with the diaphragm. Place the spring onto the stem. The bonnet cover should be properly aligned with the locating pins. Proper alignment is shown here. Attach the bonnet with the bonnet bolts. Insert all bolts before tightening. Tighten the bolts in a star-cross pattern. Two-inch 106 PG assembly complete.